Welcome to Cascadian Forge AI News, where technology, design, and intelligence converge. Today, we're asking a new question. What if buildings didn't just house technology? What if they were technology? For over a century, architecture has been about form and function. But in the era of artificial intelligence, a third dimension emerges: computation. Modern structures are beginning to act as physical processors, designed not only to shelter machines but to serve them. Thermal core walls can absorb, distribute, and recycle heat generated by data systems. Embedded water loops capture excess warmth and route it for community use or climate regulation. The building becomes a living circuit, converting waste into efficiency. This fusion of architecture and computation changes how we define infrastructure. Instead of cooling systems fighting to disperse heat, every wall, floor, and channel participates in energy balance. It's not about data centers anymore. It's about intelligent habitats that think, regulate, and adapt. 3D printed materials make this possible. They allow curved geometries that distribute stress and temperature evenly while embedding channels and sensors directly into the print. Concrete becomes code, storing information in form and function alike. As cities confront rising temperatures and digital demand, this approach offers a path forward: buildings that cool themselves, feed local grids, and reduce waste by design. The next generation of architecture isn't passive, it's performative. It doesn't consume energy, it circulates it. From foundation to framework, the future is thinking in concrete. You're watching Cascadian Forge AI News. Subscribe, share, and stay ahead of the curve.